What's up, YouTube? Hope everyone's having a blessed day today. So if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, check out the other content. And for you returning subscribers, guys, I appreciate y'all so much. So at this point on my ride, I wasn't doing any talking. I was just out for a ride and just had the GoPro recording. You see that tractor and trailer that just went by. So keep an eye out on that tractor and trailer here in just a minute. But I'm gonna tell y'all guys, there is a reason why you should practice riding a motorcycle. You should practice kind of some evasive maneuvering, some swerving. You need to practice your emergency braking and those type of things. So as you watch here in just a minute, some of that stuff is going to come into play. If you look in the right hand lane when we start coming over this hill right here, you'll see a car overtaking the tractor trailer in the right hand lane. The tractor trailer is going a little bit slower. The tractor trailer puts its right hand blinker on and maneuvers over into the right lane. And if you look right here, he's almost 100% in that lane, and then starts cutting across and turns his blinker on at the same time. The truck ran off the road right there, allowing me space to maneuver around. I did lock up the rear tire and I feathered the front brake, but the truck driver right here in this Ford truck kind of gives me a thumbs up, making sure I'm okay. I did the same, kind of thank you, and then I go on. So one thing is, when a situation like that comes up, you've got to make sure you're staying calm and collected. If not, if you panic, that's when you can start getting hurt. Of course, you can get hurt without panicking also, so I'm not saying that, but what I am trying to say is you'll make a better decision if you don't go straight into panic mode. But if you also will see, there's a lot of value in practicing maneuvering, swerving, and emergency braking. I do practice emergency braking. I practice a lot more on my road glide, but that's running 25 miles an hour. We're running 70, right? So there is difference there, but also on my road glide it has ABS. This Lowrider S does not have ABS. It's a non-ABS bike, so I have not practiced as much on that. I will start practicing more though. But guys, you got to make sure that you're out there, you're practicing these things. It can save your life. It can save you from getting into a bad injury, accident. So anyway, if you would guys, please check out the other content on the channel. If it's content that you like, please consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber and viewer, guys, I appreciate y'all so much, and I hope everyone has an absolutely blessed day.